Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and this is a video on something that recently arrived. In fact, it arrived this afternoon, and this is this Nittan Evolution Conventional Optical Smoke Detector, or EVC-P. So that's it. I'll just take this one off. 1 second. There it is. So it's quite flat, which is what I like. I quite like the colour orbiters, they're quite flat and slimline. So the smoke goes in the holes, usual smoke detector stuff. And this has got an interesting 360 LED ring, which is like true 360 viewing. And it lights all the way around. But it's only white LEDs, and there's like an LED there, LED on the opposite side. It's just temporarily blue text onto my ceiling and in my bedroom. We take up space. Right, so then we've got this. So there's wiring. So terminal 3 is positive, terminal 6 is positive in, terminal 6 is negative out. It's got the Schottky diode there and some sort of 220 ohm resistor by looks things there. Not sure what the point of that is. Don't think it's an EML resistor, no it's not. And then we've got this. The back of the detector, it's just this photoelectric smoke detector. Don't know why I'm focusing. There we go. Yeah, it's quite a nice detector, I like them. I'm just going to put it back onto the face. Okay, so I'm back on space now, so I'm going to give it a blast with the smoke saver. So here we go. So I'll finish it activate. Yeah, there we go. So of course you've got the ring. I don't know how you can see it. I'm just going to close the curtains and turn the light off. It'll be easier a bit. Just mute your camera now, mute your sound now if you've got an Echo device, because I'm about to wake my Echo Dot to turn the light off. So Alexa, bedroom light off. There we go. It looks quite nice, I like it when it's like that. Sort of a cool redness. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to turn the lights on again, so mute your thing until the lights come on again. Alexa, bedroom light on. Is if it can sense, well, the difference between deodorant and smoke. Because I don't know, it might just be the evolution addressable stuff, but it could be this as well, where it's got like two sensing elements, like a red light and a blue light, which sort of distinguishes smoke from like the real, like steam or deodorant or something. So I know on this is I'm going to use deodorant to set it off, and we'll find out if it is false alarm tolerant. Yes. Oh my gosh, it's actually not going to react. Give it a couple more, but I doubt it will work. No, that is impressive, that. Let me just make sure it's actually working. Let's get the smoke saver out. God, let's open my window. See if it recognises smoke now. Come on. Yeah, it seems to be working. So this is a really cool detector. It can reduce false alarms as well. So I just thought it was the addressable versions, but no, it looks like the conventional ones are tolerant to deodorant and aerosols. So that's pretty impressive, that, I think. But so it looks like this smoke detector is pretty much false alarm tolerant. I haven't tested it with steam, but we know it doesn't work with deodorant, but it works with like canned smoke, as it should probably. Yep, and there's the 360 LED ring, so it's an LED there. And then there should be one on the other side. Yeah, don't know, I can see it. But that's pretty much it for this video, so thanks for watching. Please comment, like and subscribe.